provisions of Article 181, subsection 1, A and C of the Constitution of Kenya 2010 that lays down the grounds upon which a county deputy governor may be removed from office of the deputy governor by way of impeachment, as read together with the procedure laid down under Section 33 of the County Government Act, as further read together with Standing Order number 60 and 61 of the Kisii County Assembly Standing Orders, and whereas the Article 10, as read together with Article 73, 74, 75, and Article 232 of the Constitution of Kenya 2010, provides for accountability for state officers to the public for decisions and actions as key guiding principles of leadership and integrity. Further aware that Section 8, 9, 10, 11, 24, and 32 and 34 of the Leadership and Integrity Act provides for the General Leadership and Integrity Code to wit, page of public, failing to carry out duties of his office in a professional, transparent, and accountable manner, using his office and unlawfully enrich himself, failing to conduct duties of his office with impartiality and objectivity in accordance with Articles 10 of the Constitution of Kenya, Articles 27, Article 23, subsection 2b, and Article 232, and practicing favorism and engaging in corrupt or unethical practices and engaging in actions that bully a person. And further aware that Section 11, subsection 1, subsection 2A1, C of the Public Officers and Ethics Act that provides that a public officer shall not use his office to improperly enrich himself or others and papers from a person who has an interest that may be affected by carrying out of the public officer's duties, and shall not, for the personal benefit of himself or another, use or allow the use of information that is acquired in connection with the public officer's duties. And further, aware that Section 6, subsection 1A, C, subsection 2, and subsection 3 of the Primary Act that provides a person commits the offense of receiving a bribe if the person requests, agrees to receive, or receives a financial or other advantage intending that a relevant function or activity be performed improperly by that person receiving the bribe and in anticipation of or as a consequence of a person requesting for or agreeing to receive or accepting a financial or other advantage. Mr. Speaker, the County Assembly now resolves to remove His Excellency Dr. Robert Monda from the office of the County Deputy Governor of Kisii by way of impeachment pursuant to Article 181 of the Constitution of Kenya, subsection 1, A and C of the Constitution of Kenya 2010, Section 33 of the County Government Act 2012, and the County Assembly Standing Orders number 61 as read together with Standing Order number 60. On the following grounds. Ground 1, gross violation of the Constitution or any other law. Mr. Speaker, whereas Article 179, subsection 4, first Deputy Chief Executive power on the Deputy Governor, and whereas in consideration of the provisions of Article 10 and Article 73, subsection 1, A, 3 and 4 of the Constitution of Kenya 2010, in so far as it connotes to the manner in which a state officer is expected to exercise assigned authority. Article 75, subsection 1 of the Constitution, as read together with sections 8, 9, 10, 11, 24, 32, and 34 of the Leadership and Integrity Act 2012, and sections 9, 11, subsection 1, subsection 2A, 1, subsection C,